Let us start connective tissues. Connective tissue, from the name you can judge that it is used for the connection of muscles with bones, connection of organ with bones, connection of muscles with bone, connection of muscle with tissues, and so on. So it connects the various body tissues and organs. Tissue with organ, muscles with organ, bones with organ, organ with bone, etc. It connects bones to bone, muscles to bones, and it binds the tissues. Okay? Main function is what? Binding, supporting, packing of different tissues and organs. As for example, heart is at the left side of our body, slightly left side, in the inside the rib cage. So the heart remains at their position because of this binding of different muscles surrounding it. Otherwise, it may be move up and down, maybe move up and down, maybe to and fro when you are running at that time. But no, this will not happen. It is because of this connective tissue. Mainly 4 parts are there: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, tendons, and ligaments. Areolar tissue. Areolar tissues are found in the matrix. Okay, it is found in the matrix of the cell. Matrix means base material. It is present between tissue and organ, main organ and the tissue. In between this, areolar tissues are there. It is embedded. Embedded means just like embroidery. We stitches it. Okay, the cells are stitched. Stitch in what? Matrix fiber. Matrix means base material of cell. Base of cells. 2 meanings are there of matrix fiber or matrix. Matrix is known as base of cell, or it is also known as fibers. Fiber, just like these long threads, it is also known as matrix. You have seen the movie Matrix. Okay, see, it's very good. So binding, it is the main function is binding and repair of body tissue. This is the main one-liner question. Which connective tissue or which tissue is used for repairing of the body tissue? It is mainly what? Areolar tissue, and it is found in the cells. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue, it is for fat. It is for lipid. So it is found between the skin and the internal organ. This is the skin, and in the internal organ there is a adipose tissue. As for example, lungs. Lungs are where? Where is the position of the lung? Lungs are found in the rib cage. So when you inhale, then rib cage moves up, means it's swallow, it's flatten. And when you exhale it out, then it becomes contract. Okay? So at that time, what happens? Lungs, when air enter into the lungs, then it becomes swollen and it tries to touch to rib cage. But no, it is not possible, because in between this there is adipose tissue. Okay, and so it is protected against the wear and tear of this type of organ. So it is found between skin and the internal organ. Cell of this tissue are filled with fat globules, means excess amount of energy is stored in our body in the form of fat globules. Globules means small globulets. Okay, and so it stores fat, and so it acts as an insulator. So those who are fatty, they feel less cold because fats are there, insulators are there. Tendons. Tendons join muscle with bone. Bone is there inside it, muscles are there inside it. So when you, it's a voluntary, not involuntary. So according to our will, when you stretch your muscles, then muscles and bones are attached with each other, and this tissue is known as what? Tendons. These are non-elastic fiber and white in color. Remember this color is white and non-elastic. It connects muscles with bones. Another type is ligament, which connect bones to the other bones. They are present at the joint of the long bone, like this joint with knee. Okay, with femur connect with pelvis, right? So their cells, they are present at the joints of the long bones. Their cells and matrix again with base, have elastic fiber of yellow color. Tendon has white color, ligament has yellow color. Ligament connects bone with bone. So four types are there: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, tendon, and ligament. After that, according to our chart, there is a skeletal tissue. Two types are there: bones and cartilage. So skeletal tissue.